Welcome everyone. As discussed in the previous section, we are going to discuss about the Pareto chart and the dual combination chart. Let us understand how to create the dual combination chart. For that purpose, let us go to the sheet and drag, let us say I want to see the sum of sales and profit together in the single visual. So I'm dragging both of them and I want to see it with respect to say some of the categories. So yes, I am seeing this first chart is talking about the sales. Chart second chart is talking about the profit of the subcategories accordingly. Now that is again a very simple type of dual combination chart. Of course, we can change the visuals, like for the sum of sales of profit, I can select here bar with colors, say different colors like say orange colors, fine. And for the second profit purpose I can select say line accordingly, and definitely for profit and the sales I can drag them the respective into the respective places for label purpose. So for sum of sales, let the sum of sales be like this. Even then we can further drill down this dual combination chart with respect to suppose year we want to say. Now let me drag for that purpose a category here in this, and let us drag the ship date in the columns. Now you can see that as per the ship date I have got all the different graphs with respect to the subcategories. Fine. Let us try to understand that I want to see month wise. Month wise, fine, taking it month wise. So you can see January, February, March, April wise I'm getting it all. If we don't want the subcategories to be here, let us remove that, and now it is just month wise the dual combination chart of profit and the sales. This is how we can create dual combinations. If I want the different segment wise information in detail, then definitely I can add segments here. So you can see the consumer segment, corporate segment and home office segment has their different graphs, individual graphs. So these are like different combination chart we can achieve accordingly. So this is how the combination chart is achieved, and the importance of that combination chart is that we can see different visuals in one single sheet itself in the Tableau. That's why it is called as a dual combination chart, or you can create multiple combination chart as well, as we had just created. Now let us try to understand what is Pareto chart. Pareto chart is important for visualizing and prioritizing the data. In Pareto chart, in Pareto chart there is a dual combination of the column chart and the line chart, but in a different manner. Let us see and create that. For that purpose, let me take you to the new sheet. Here, for example, let us go and drag the subcategory into the columns. Let me drag sales here, dragging the sales into the rows. Fine, I got it. Now let us arrange it accordingly, sorting. Okay, so in this sorting we are going to sort this visual with respect to say fields, okay, in ascending or descending order. It's up to us. So let us keep it in the descending order, rather ascending order is fine, it's up to us. So let us arrange this into the ascend. So let us arrange this into the ascending order. असं का करते मी उलट बोलतोय, बोलताना करतोय वेगळं. So let me select the descending option here. This is ascending option, this is the descending option. Fine. After this, let us duplicate this sales column in the rows accordingly by clicking the control button and dragging the sum, the peel of the sum of sales here and placing it here. So we got two charts now. Same but two charts. Fine. Now let us select the second shelf here in the marks for the second chart, and let us select the line here. So we got the line, and now it is almost ready, but for this time let us select. Now we have got one column chart and the second as a line chart. After converting the second visual to the line by selecting this sum of cells and here automatic as line, then next we are going to go in the sum of cells and go into the edit calculation table. Here you have to select running total, and here we will select percentage of total. Now you can see we have got this line and the bars aligned like symmetry wise. So we are going to say dual axis. So we had got dual axis. Now the bars had turned into the circles, so I will have to select them as a bar again. So these are the bars. Let us separate the color of the bars and select from the edit colors. Let us choose like this as the color for the bars. So this is the purple color bar. So this is the purple color bar and the line is of this orange color. So this is now a Pareto chart. So what is the importance of the Pareto chart is the line gives us the cumulative information of the bars, like cumulative sum of the sales or the contribution of the bars that we had covered to the left of the line, and gives us the information about the cumulative percentage of the sales or profit whichever you had chosen. In this case we had chosen the sum of sales. So as and when I am going and hovering over the line, it is giving me the collective sales of all the bars that I had crossed up till now. So one by one it is giving me percentage wise information now, like this is the percentages. I am starting from the line once again. You can see whenever I am hovering over the line, it is giving me that the first bar, that is phones, the subcategory phones is contributing 14.3%, 14.37 percentage of sales. Then I am hovering over the line when the bar is second number, that is chairs. Here when I am hovering over the line on it, then it is showing me now 28.66%, which is the cumulative percentage of both previous phones and the current chairs. If I hover over to the third bar, the line says, yes, now you can see the line is showing me 38.41%. That means phones, chairs and storage together contributes 38.41 percentage of the total sales. So if someone asks you by checking the Pareto, what are all the items that contributes the 50% of my sales, then you can hover over the line one by one, and here you can see here it is showing 56.27 percentage, and this fourth bar line is showing 47.42%. Then of course here we can definitely say that including phones, chairs, storage, tables and binders, these are all the 5 items that are contributing over 50% in our sales. That is how Pareto chart is referenced. Thank you for watching the charts.
To know more about Itvedant, visit our website